In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Recaptcha in a Webflow form. This is an essential step to help protect your website from spam and abuse, ensuring a smooth user experience for your visitors. So, let's begin this straightforward process, which should take you around 5 minutes. First, we need to head to the Google Recaptcha admin console. You'll want to sign in using your Google account. Once logged in, you'll need to register a new Recaptcha site. Here, you have the option to choose between Recaptcha v2, which offers both invisible and checkbox capabilities, or Recaptcha v3, which operates seamlessly in the background. After deciding which version suits your needs, simply add your website's domain, for instance, yourdomain.com, and submit the form. After submitting, Google will provide you with two crucial components, a site key and a secret key. Keep these handy as we'll use them in the next steps. Next up, let's jump into your Webflow project. Go to your site settings and navigate to the Forms tab. Here, you'll find the Recaptcha validation section. Paste the site key and the secret key from Google into their respective fields. Now, toggle the Enable Recaptcha switch to activate it for your forms. Don't forget to save your changes and make sure to publish your project to ensure everything is up and running live on your site. Now it's time to add Recaptcha to your actual forms within the Webflow Designer. Open the page where your form is located. Select the form you want to secure with Recaptcha. To incorporate this feature, add an embed element just below the form fields, or wherever you'd like the Recaptcha to appear. This embed element will serve as the placeholder for the Recaptcha code. For those using Recaptcha v2, if you chose the checkbox option, you'll use the following code. Replace your site key with the site key you received from Google earlier. If you went with the invisible option for Recaptcha v2, use this code instead. Now, if you've decided on Recaptcha v3, this step is slightly different. You'll need to add a specific script to the section of your site settings. This requires additional handling of the token verification using custom code. This extra step ensures that Recaptcha v3 is integrated correctly and operates as intended. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Recaptcha into your Webflow forms. This setup not only secures your website from unwanted spam, but also ensures that genuine users have a seamless experience. Make sure to test everything by visiting your site to see the Recaptcha in action. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.